Welcome to Invincible Publishers interview, Satakshi. It is a pleasure to have you. Can you please introduce yourself to us and tell us something about yourself?
Definitely. Thank you so much, Vigneshwar. So I would like to tell that firstly, I belong from Lucknow.
Mm-hmm.
I have completed my schooling and everything from here. After that, I started my job and I'm working in Bangalore as an HR business partner.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobby was always reading, like reading a lot of novels and everything. So that's from where I started liking, and my interest grew in writing as well,
Mm-hmm.
as in creative writing.
Yeah. So, Satakshi, where did you get the idea for the book then? Like, you started creative writing like fairly early, and then how did you get the idea? How did your writing journey start?
So I always had that thing in my mind that I have to like create something, like in the process of writing only something in writing. I wanted to write something. I used to write short articles or something, or some journaling. I used to do journaling a lot in my notebook and all. So from there, I had the idea. I was just sitting in a cafe and I thought of writing about a story which is nothing very like, it's something about us, a story which our generation is facing, from working on a job to trying to push to follow their passion as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what the where I got my idea from.
That's great. As a first time writer, when it comes to books, what were the hiccups or obstacles did you face in particular as a writer?
Once when I was started writing,
Mm-hmm.
the major thing I faced was discipline and also timeline issue, because I was working and I also needed time to write. So I used to wake up at 4 a.m. and some days I was not very disciplined, and I was not able to wake up and write. So that's where I learned how to build myself, like how to be more disciplined and work on something which I really enjoy doing, like writing. So I started waking up early, writing, and all that. Yeah, that was the biggest, I would say, thing I overcame.
Yeah.
Disciplining my own self to something. Yeah.
What is your favorite instance from the book? Like disciplining yourself to write. Now, I don't know how that came about, but then from there, you go to write a romantic book. And now I'm not sure if you are a romantic yourself, but it's a romance novel. Like there are couples, there's love. So, what is your favorite instance from the book?
So in the book, it's also romance is the theme. Also, there is one more very major, I would say, thing that comes out. If a person reads it, the major thing that comes out is inspiration as well. That how people grow. So the major instance or thing which I felt that really touched to my heart was when I was writing. I was feeling the characters. I was crying when they were sad. I was happy when they were happy. So that was the moment I really connected. There was one instant when there is a very emotional, touching moment in the novel, when all four characters are on the phase when they are trying to understand themselves and grow through in their lives. So that was a moment, I would say, it's very important for all of us, like from current generation, to understand that it is above and beyond that, we have to grow as well. So that's the moment in the story where all the characters on the stage when they are trying to understand their life. So I would say I can't explain more because it will
otherwise then you're telling me the book, but yes, okay. And that's beautiful. Sakshi, now the tips. I would like you to tell me some tips that you you experience through yourself while writing, and that you think that other authors or other aspiring authors would like to know?
So I'm also like a first time author. So I'm yet to explore a lot of dimensions of writing, I would say. But
Yeah.
still, there is one very important thing which I understood from the process is that writing a book is like a journey. And it's sometimes a destination may be far, maybe near, but what matters is we should really enjoy the process of it. Some people really like writing, they enjoy the process of writing. They should try to be more disciplined and try to write and try to motivate themselves and find time to write. That's the major thing. Apart from that, I would say that even if uh, think that it's wrong, or sometimes we also feel demotivated while writing, that who is going to read this.
Yeah.
But we should we should not feel that way. We should feel that we are creating something in this world, and it should reach. It's not necessary who reads it. What matters is what you are you just want to express. So I believe that expression should be important more than the result.
Thank you, Satakshi. Thank you so much for coming today. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you for, explaining your experiences to our audience as well. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much, Vignesha, for conducting such an amazing interview.
Bye. See you.
Bye.